Darnell Jefferson from from New Jersey. To add to the skill set, I do a lot of car customizing, upholstery, vinyl wrap, mobile electronics installation. Informative so far, down to the nitty-gritty of the marketing stuff, a lot of things that you don't really think about. That's part of the reason why I came to, is to get some of that subject matter expert insight. I absolutely loved it. To sit and get some training from subject matter experts in the field who aren't afraid to share all their secrets with you, that was the best part. Like I said before, learning from subject matter experts on the best practices and the best products to use, it's a whole lot better than learning on YouTube, I'll tell you that much.